Hi friends, how are you doing? Okay, so today we are going to see how to create application in the VS Code, how to connect the database in the VS Code first of all, and then how to create the application in the VS Code. Actually, the motto of this tutorial is that we are not going to create the application from the browser. We are going to create the application from the VS Code, and we'll just try to import the application in the desired schema or the browser, you would say. There we will try to run the application. Okay, so I'll quickly show you. We have this instance ready. We do not have any application created over here. What we are going to do, we are going to create an application from the VS Code. Okay, so for that, what I'll do, I'll go to the VS Code. Here I have this SQL Developer extension. If you are not aware about SQL Developer extension, you can go to extensions, and here you can write SQL Developer. You will get the extension. So you see, this is the one. I already have installed it. That is why I do not see this install button. If you have not installed it, you can install it from here. Once the extension will be installed, you will get this icon over here. Okay, so you will see that you have this SQL Developer installed, and you can create multiple connections. I have created many connections over here. Few of them is like this. I have created the workspace. If I quickly show you, the workspace is where can I see? I think here, preference. The workspace is WKSP underscore apps. So I have connected to this workspace. This schema. Okay, so the schema you see here is WKSP apps. I have connected to this schema. I haven't configured this schema. To connect to it, I will go and click on connect. If you're connecting for the first time, what you have to do is you have to click on this plus icon. You have to provide your connection name. You can give any name. You have to give the host name and port and these details. Or if you're connecting from Oracle Cloud, what you can do, go to here the connection type and select Cloud Wallet from here. Choose your wallet, what you have to download from Oracle Cloud. And once you will be done with the file thing, you have to provide the username and password, and you can connect, right? So the same thing I have done. I had a wallet what I have taken from cloud. If you want to if you want me to show you that thing, I'll quickly show you over here. What I'll do, cloud.oracle.com. Here when we create the database, that time we get the wallet details. Okay, so I'll quickly take you to Oracle AI database, autonomous AI database, and here we have created these apps. If you go to this in the database connections, okay, not here, more actions, okay, sorry, here database connections, click on it, and down below you see you can download the wallet. So this is how you can download the wallet. Once you'll download the wallet, just keep it in your folder, and from that folder you just browse and configure it over here, provide username and password, then connect. Okay, I already have connected, so I don't have to do anything. Okay, so once we are connected, if I just expand it, this is how it looks. You will find the tables, view, duality views, indexes, all these things. And down below, you see we have a folder or a place where you can see all your Apex application. Currently, we do not have any application, as I shown you over here. We do not have any application. That is why we don't see anything in this folder. Okay. So to generate the application, what you can do, either you can go and click on create application from here, or what you can do, you can go to VS Code and right click on this thing and click on generate. Okay, so when you click on generate, it will the workspace ID is directly picking from this schema itself. You have to provide a application alias name. Let's see if I give the alias name as demo and the application name is demo. Okay, you have to give a folder where you want to save the generated file. So if you click on browse, I'll go to maybe downloads. Over here, let me quickly scroll up a little bit. I see the downloads folder. Yes, this downloads, and I'll create a folder better. Yeah, new folder, and I'll just say this folder as apps. Okay, so I'll select this folder and then select this folder. So here the file is will be getting generated, and if I click on apply, you see something is happening. Workspace apps script runner. So this is actually, creating the Apex file. In this Apex file, you will get, this entire application. So you see we have this application.apx. You see this thing, but what I'll do, I'll quickly go to Explorer. Here I'll open the folder and I'll open the same folder what we have just created, which is this one. Go to downloads, this apps. I'll open this apps folder, and here you see the demo, the name of the application is demo. Okay, and if I scroll down or expand it, you see this application file got created. Okay, so this file is there, this file is created, but this file is still in our local folder. Okay, until we do not publish it or we do not push it to the schema, it won't be visible at this place. Okay, even if I, let's say, refresh the page, you cannot see anything. Why? Because we just have created the application, we just have generated the application, and this application is in our local folder, which is apps. Okay, now if I quickly show you, if I expand it, you get a basic the version of apexlang.json. And if I expand this, we have this deployments file. Then if I expand the pages, you see by default, whenever we create an application, three pages get created, which is the first page is a global page. We call it as page 0. Second page is page 1, which is home page, and the login page. Yeah, always 3 page gets created whenever we create an application, a blank application. So this is how we get these pages. We have few things in shared components. We will explore all these things in later videos, but yes, we have some supporting objects, deinstall script, and these things. All right, if I click on this application.apx, you will get a high level information about the application. For example, what's the name of the application? Okay, and what is the home page URL? So you see the home URL is getting it will be getting redirected to page number 1. The page name is login page. Okay, we have some navigation menu things, we have some navigation bar things and stuff like that. Yeah, and if I click on this page group Apex, we have a file which is saying that it is an administration page, so that is fine. We have all these basic informations. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to push this application to the schema, to the actual schema, and the schema we have to connect first. Okay, so as you see here, no connection attached. I'll just click on it and I will scroll down. I'll connect to this one. This is schema wksp_apps. Let me just click on it. So as username and password is already saved, it will get connected. Okay, so you see it got connected successfully. Now, once the schema is connected, we have all the files ready and saved. What I'll do, I'll click on this play button. This is kind of the button which will help us to push our code to the APEX Workspace. You can say, if I click on it, it is asking keep the sessions. I'll just click on yes, and you see something is happening. Application successfully imported. That's great. If I go to the browser here, and if I just refresh it, you see we got a new application. The application name is demo, and which has 3 pages, as we already have seen in our pages section. We have 3 pages. If I click on this demo app, you see we have these 3 pages: global page, home page, login page. Okay, that's fine. I'll click on run application, and here I will provide user and password, sign in, and you see we have this demo application created and up and running. So that is what kind of advantage of 26.1, where we can do everything from VS Code. We do not have to, we can, if we want, we can make the changes directly from the browser, but we have a good option, very best way of doing application development from VS Code. Now, why all developers are moving to VS Code? Because here we have good flexibility, more flexibility writing code, which where we can get full advantage of generative AI. So as you can see above here, I have configured Claude generative AI in the VS Code, so that I can ask the question and I can get the answer. Let's say I have any question about, or if I want to fix anything, I can directly do it in the VS Code with the help of Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT, whatever as per your requirement, your understanding, your subscription plan, free plans. You can take the advantage of that. But this is going to help a lot. Writing the things in VS Code helps a lot when we want to improve the application performance, or we want to fix anything, or we want to attain, make our development faster. It is going to help a lot. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to show you how you can do the setup and how you can do it. In the next tutorial, we will start developing the actual stuff, what we do from here, like creating the page, creating report forms, things like that. All right, uh, that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.